guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos and be part of the family. So today we got another awesome video for you guys. So lately I've been thinking about getting another car. Yes, I do have a problem. I do realize I have a problem with cars. As you can see, we have a 2017 Challenger Hellcat. We got a 2018 Mustang GT with the 10-speed. So I don't know why, but I like vets. I've been in vets. I like the whole, it feels like a race car because it's small. It can go around turns. You know, this can go around turns, the Mustang, but not like a vet can. So I've been looking at them, and yesterday I actually passed the dealership. We are going to almost one of the biggest dealerships here in Michigan. They have like over 1,000 vets, and they have some dope colors. Like they have this orange, the new orange they have, and that's pretty sick. So I don't know what other colors they have and what other colors, but we're gonna go check it out, and we're gonna see if we can make something happen, because I'd love to add a Corvette to the channel. I think it'd be dope. And like I said, I do have a problem with cars. I do realize that, but I love cars. You know, at least I don't have an addiction to something else. It's addiction to a car. So anyways, let's start the Mustang and get going, and let's have an awesome video. Let's get it. I haven't driven or made a video with the Mustang in like 5-6 videos. I get it, and I haven't started it either, but I started it, and I was expecting it to be a lot louder than this, but I don't know why it wasn't loud. But it does start on normal mode, not track mode, but usually it gets pretty loud when it's a cold start, but not today, I guess. But anyways, let's hop in the car and get going. One of the downfalls to having Recaro seats is there is no heated seats, and when it's 30 degrees, 28 degrees outside, kind of need them. But at least I have heated steering wheel, so I guess that'll work. Of course, we need more E85 for the car. This car is so filthy right now, it's not even funny. It looks clean on camera, but it still looks clean on camera, but it's filthy. Long live Mike. I have a cool question. Who has an iPhone? And do you guys use the maps from the iPhone? They are the most obnoxious maps there is. I hate the, car GPS, and I also hate the one that comes with the iPhone, just because it literally just took me side streets all the way to where I'm headed, to the dealership, instead of taking me on the highway like I did yesterday. What's wrong with honestly, the iPhone, I feel like it's just becoming, cheaper to make, cheaper for everything is cheap, just so they can make as much profit as possible. Maybe I need to switch to Android. I'm just playing. I'll never do that. So we just got here. I'm gonna go around and look at what they got before I even speak to anybody. So they have a lot of vets, and I think here are the used ones. Not a fan of any of them. Well, actually, okay, look at this. This is a used Z06, right? It's 2015. It's not even a 16, 17, none of that. And it is for $73,000. This better have some real low miles. And it just has the black seats, nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing is special. It's not like it has all the other crazy carbon fiber. It doesn't even have a carbon fiber top, does it? Well, it actually does have a carbon fiber top. Okay, so that's the one. There's this one. I kind of dig this color, this little gray color. Let's see, black seats, 2016, doesn't really say a price on it, but I do like the color of this. Wow. You have this ugly Maserati here. Let's see, does it say a price on there? Okay, this says $73,000, and it has how many miles? It doesn't really say any miles on there, but I love this color for some reason. What do you guys think of this color? I like this color. Never seen it before. We got that. We got another one over here. Not the yellow one, the one next to it. We got, oh yeah, this is a Z51. It's not a Z06. It's just a regular vet. This is just a 6.2 without the supercharger for 50 grand. Okay. Not a fan, because it is a pretty slow car. It looks cool, but I'd much rather have a Z06. So let's go and look at the new ones over there. So the funny thing is they actually have an SRT here. I want to see how much this is getting sold for. For $34,000. This is a SRT, not a Scat Pack. And then they have a Hellcat for $52,000. And it's manual. How did I know that? I feel like every orange Challenger is a manual. There it is. There is this black Z06. I'm not a fan of black, so there's not even a point to talk about it. There's this Grand Sport. It's red. I do like the red, but there's more cars over here. And this is one of my favorite colors is coming up. So these are a bunch of Grand Sports. But I just want to show you guys the color that I like. This orange is just, I don't know why, I think it's so nice. Especially when, you know, if the car's tinted out, there's more black accents to it. I love this orange for some reason. They got so many colors. Honestly, I gotta show you guys this. And these are all Grand Sports over here. They got this blue. It's like a light blue. It is sick. Look at this. Red around the wheel. Look at this. Red interior as well. Let me show you guys the interior. This is really nice interior. Red stitching as well. What do you guys think of this color? But again, these are not Z06s. These are all Grand Sports. And that was a Stingray though. But I'm gonna walk over there to where the Z06s are, and we're gonna see what other color Z06s they have. So I guess all they have here are Grand Sports, literally everywhere. I mean, they have more Grand Sports than Z06s here. I don't know what the deal is, but this is the orange that I love. I love this orange. I don't know, what do you guys think? This is a Grand Sport, so that wouldn't be the one, but I love the orange. They got silver. I mean, they have every color. They literally have everything. And different color wheels, everything. I don't know. I'm still deciding on looking. The white is just ugly to me. This color is, it's not even a Z06 or anything like that. The orange is really sticking out. I mean, look at that. Doesn't the back look like it's a Ferrari? Man, it's crazy how much they try to make them look like a Ferrari. All Grand Sports, guys. Literally, this whole thing, all of this is all Grand Sports. I don't know what the deal is. They need to get more Z06s here. So since they're low on inventory, the only thing that there is that I'd consider getting is this. There's this one for, no, not that one, what am I saying? There's a yellow one for 73. I'm sure I can get it for way lower than that. That's way too much. And then there's this one. This is my favorite color. And I feel this would look good. And it'd be a different color that I'm not used to having. And look how aggressive it looks. So, this is the thing right now. So they're getting ready to close right now, and they, you know, I don't want to rush them. I don't want to get them to do anything right now. So I'm actually gonna come back another day so I could test drive it, because it's the weekend and they're about to close. And yeah, so we're gonna come back, test drive it, see if they could work with me on the price, because I'm not paying $73,000 for a Z06 that's used, and I'm pretty sure it has more than 10,000 miles. But we'll see. Maybe we could talk about a new one. Maybe they have some deals. I don't know. Before we leave, I spotted something. Civic Type R. I have never seen these in person. I don't know what the hype is about, but let me check out the interior. The interior looks okay. It's nice and red, but I mean, I like the pearl color on this. What do you guys think of this car, honestly? You know, a lot of people talk about it. A lot of people mention it. You know, I know it's still a Honda, but, you know, it has Brembos. It kind of looks somewhat cool. I don't like the back, to be honest. But, yeah, look at this. They, you know, they tried. Look, they got a little Hellcat, you know, vent in the middle. I feel like they they tried. These mirrors are up like ridiculously big. Look how big they are. I don't know why they're so big. Wow, they're huge. And it looks like a circle. Weird. It's a weird looking car, but I mean, look, 3 exhaust pipes. Look at Honda coming up, and I mean, wow. I mean, the thing is hideous from the back. I don't know what's going on. I mean, you got the wing here. You got another wing here. I mean, how many wings do you possibly need for this car? You know, you got the little side. I feel like this is a car from Grand Theft Auto that, you know, you went to Los Santos Customs, and, you know, you put together a Honda. So, and, you know, I don't know. I have no idea what this car does, how it performs, but I mean, it looks cool. We got an orange Mustang over here trying to play. I don't know. Look how nice the orange is though. Quick pull won't hurt, and we haven't done that in a little while on the channel. So why don't we just do a quick pull right now? That was a lot of spinning, and as you can see, when I hit, put my foot on the gas, it was at 50 for like 3 seconds, just because it was spinning. It is pretty cold out, so I don't blame the tires for wanting to spin right now. All right, guys, so I'm back home. Got both of the cars in the garage safely. This winter is gonna be brutal. So anyways, I feel like every time I make this video, because I did it with the Mustang, and I said I was gonna go check it out, and I wasn't really sure about buying it, and I ended up buying it. I don't know if this is gonna happen with the Z06, and I'm gonna end up buying it. And literally, like, I went to look at this, then went back. Remember, the first day I went to look at it, the next day I went to test it out, to test drive it. And then after that, like a week or two after we were doing the deal, I made the announcement that I bought the car. We went, picked it up. So what do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys think a Z06 would be a good addition to the family? I mean, we already got a Mustang, we already got a Hellcat. What do you guys think? Do you guys think a Z06 would be, something cool on the channel? Would you guys want to watch that? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. So also comment down below what new video ideas you guys want to see me make. Comment every idea you guys have in the description. I'm literally gonna read into it and try to do them. So we're done for today. I'm gonna let you guys go. Make sure you guys have an awesome day. And if you're stopping by for the first time, smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos, and be part of this beautiful and growing family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day. Peace out. Make sure you stay positive. Woo!